Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope everything is well. I am back. My name is Roy and this is Get Crafty. So I just got back from the shop in the town. I was actually in the charity shop looking for some stuff, looking for something that I can use for this project, for today's project. So what I have, so for those of you who doesn't know what charity shop is, it's actually a shop where people donate things, old stuff, just about clothings and whatever old they can find in their household, and then they donate it to these charity shops, and then the charity shop would sell this to people in cheap prices. I was there because I have some project in my mind which I would like to share with you. So here's what I find in the shop. So check this out. So here, it's a nice teapot. It's actually, most of them are actually fragile. So here we are. I got this in the shop for only £1, which is, if you convert it into Philippine peso, around 60 pesos, I would say. It's still nice, and it's quite shiny. So I thought, hey, it could be something useful for me, so just have them out. What else do we have? Here, there we are. I'm not sure what these are, but I have like 5 pieces of this. It's almost like a Chinese lantern bubble, but hey, anything for me is useful. So we'll see what we can do anyway. And most of them are still same stuff anyway. Some glasses and things like that. So hope you have a spare time for me today, and join me as I create and give you ideas of how to make and put up a nice piece of baby plant display. So if you look into our cabinet, there's like loads of baby plants that has been needing a little bit of concern. There we are. We have them small cuttings, root propagations. There we are. Peperomia cuttings, and small tiny that I thought it's a bit jungly looking already, so it needs to be attended. I also bought a set of succulents, which I had from the shop. It's a cheap one, so you can actually buy it very, very cheap. I actually bought that for £4 for the whole pack, so it would help us enhance our decorations for today. So for our first project, we will be doing a floating pot poured over in a cup. So we'll be using this nice pot right here, and plate where I can find in the charity shop again. Cup, one of them cups that I have in my cupboard. Spoon, some decorative stones, and of course glue gun.